Baking my pizza. Ah, a little bit more. I want it a little bit brown. So, mga 1 minute muna. 1 minute pa. Okay. Okay, maybe that's enough. We'll see. Ooh, looks good. It's a white pizza. It's spinach. Okay, we're gonna turn it off. Patayin muna natin. Ayan. Okay. Eto na, yung aking pizza. Spinach pizza. Paborito ko to eh. Kasi ayaw ko yung marinara sauce na nilalagay. So, meron tayong pizza cutter dito. So, ikakat na natin siya. Dami ko nilagay na mozzarella. Dami ko nilagay. Tsaka yung white sauce. Alfredo sauce. Yummy, yummy. It looks good. Okay. This is my supper. Alright. Tama na yan. Dalawa. Ooh. See? Yan. Ooh, it's yummy. Ooh, mainit. Okay guys. Salamat. Thank you for watching. Bye!